Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to convert Google Maps to JPG. This is incredibly useful when you need to save a map as an image file for presentations, reports, or just to keep a visual reference of a location. Let's walk through this simple process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to google.com/maps. This will take you straight to Google Maps where you can search for any location worldwide. Once you're on the Google Maps homepage, look to the left side of your screen where you'll find the search bar. Go ahead and type in the location you want to capture. This could be an address, a landmark, or even just a general area you're interested in. The map will automatically adjust to show your selected location. Now comes the capturing part. On your keyboard, press Shift, the Windows key, and S all at the same time. This keyboard shortcut opens the window snipping tool, which is built right into your system. You'll notice your screen dims slightly and a crosshair cursor appears. This is your signal that the snipping tool is ready to capture whatever portion of the screen you select. With the snipping tool active, click and drag your cursor over the map area you want to convert to JPG. Be sure to capture exactly what you need, whether that's the entire map view or just a specific section. Once you release your mouse, the screenshot is taken and saved to your clipboard. After you've captured the map, look to the right side of your screen. You'll see a small notification pop up showing a preview of your screenshot. Go ahead and click on this notification. This opens a larger preview window where you can see exactly what you've captured and make sure it looks good before proceeding. In the preview window, direct your attention to the upper right corner where you'll find 3 dots. Click on these dots to reveal a menu with several options. From this menu, select Open With. This allows you to choose which program you'd like to use to edit and save your screenshot. You'll be presented with a list of applications. Look for Paint in this list and click on it. Then click OK. Paint is perfect for this task because it's simple, built into Windows, and allows you to save images in various formats, including JPG. The image will now open in Paint, ready for you to save it properly. Now that your map screenshot is open in Paint, look at the top left corner and click on File. This opens the File menu where you'll find all the saving options. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on Save As. This is where you'll define how and where your map image gets saved. A Save dialog box will appear asking you to input a file name. Type in whatever name makes sense for your map, something that will help you identify it later. Next to the file name field, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Save As Type. Click on this drop-down menu and scroll through the options until you find JPEG. Select JPEG as your file format. This ensures your Google Maps screenshot is saved as a JPG file, which is widely compatible and easy to share. Finally, choose where you want to save the file on your computer and click Save. Your Google Maps image is now converted and saved as a JPG file, ready to use wherever you need it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.